How to deactivate your account on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate your account on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go down to settings and privacy right here. Click on it like this and it will take you to this page. Now here you will find some options. All what you have to do is choose the first one, your account. Now here you will find options too, and here is the deactivate account option. Click on it and go down and click on deactivate. Here it's on the read. It's very easy, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.